Guys, it's Landon here. I'm Rock. I'm ready to go because I'm about to play my 360. Oh, yeah. What we got over here? We got Rock Band. I got it in yesterday. I'm psyched. Got my guitar, got my drums. Call of Duty 4 is always fun. So let's play ball. I can't wait to play my games. Oh, yeah, baby. Huh? What the fuck? Oh! Look at that. We can't play because my 360 has died again. Again, the second time this has happened. I'm sure it's happened to a lot of you out there many a time. The Red Ring of Death. We've all seen it before from Microsoft's premium, grade A plus quality Dream Machines. This is not a fix video or anything to get your hopes up. I'm just making this vid for two reasons. One, to have video evidence that yes, it is the 360. Hard drive is out. That light is green on the power bar, which means it's the 360 console. And the second reason, I paid out my hundreds of clams, like all you, to play this junk box that likes to break during peak times of joy. The first time it broke was the day after I got Oblivion. That led to suicidal depression. Not fun, Microsoft. So, I mean, Microsoft can at least do me the favor after me having to sit through 3 weeks of Xbox 360 desperation and barren wasteland, and they can do this one thing for me, and that is to suck on my balls. But I believe I have, however, discovered the true and ultimate fix to your 360 Ring of Death woes, everybody. And that is the hard and adventurous task of finding a Wii.